this is Ayin and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I have another celebrity-inspired makeup tutorial for you guys. And this time, ang ginaya kong look ay ang look ni Jennie of Blackpink dun sa kanilang music video, which is Kill This Love, which I love. I'm obsessed with, not just with the music video, but with the song itself. And since kakatapos lang ng Coachella where they performed, and may I say, they were awesome. Grabe, ibang klase yung performance nila dun, guys. Ibang klase yung level, diba? Kung hindi nyo pa napanood, marami sa YouTube. So, search nyo after this video. Ayun na nga, isa sa mga pinakagusto kong makeup looks doon sa kanilang comeback video is itong look na to ni Jennie, or Jennie, how do you pronounce it? And gusto ko yung kanyang soft, smoky eye look there, and she looks so fierce. So, naisip ko, why don't I recreate it? But again, just a disclaimer. I know I have to do a disclaimer right now kasi I know maraming blinks dyan, and baka isipin nyo, hindi mo naman kamukha si Jennie, iba naman itsura mo. Just a disclaimer, a celebrity-inspired makeup tutorial is different from a makeup transformation. I'm not saying that I look like Jennie now, but I just copied ano yung mga colors on her face, how she did her makeup, based on this picture right here. So yeah, sana magustuhan nyo itong video na to, but before we begin with the tutorial, if you haven't already, I would appreciate if you guys will hit the subscribe button and the bell notification so you'll get notified whenever I post new videos, and so that you'll be part of our clique here. And if you guys want to know how I did this soft, smoky, Jennie-inspired makeup look, then just keep watching.
I don't usually go out this late at night to the place where the animals go, but baby, I'm here and I'm watching you move. There's just one thing you should know. Girl, you are my fire, only true desire. Swear I'm not a liar, you should dance with me. You should get to know me, kick it with the homies. Let go of your worries, you should dance with me. I don't usually go out this late at night to the place where the animals go, but baby, I'm here and I'm watching you move. There's just one thing you should know. Girl, you are my fire, only true desire. Swear I'm not a liar, you should dance with me. You should get to know me, kick it with the homies. Let go of your worries, you should dance with me.
Do you remember how you held me then? Now you got me reaching out. And do you see you got me falling in more times than I can get out. Down in the deep of my mind, I crawl for you and keep you down in the deep of my mind. I call for you and you're always inside. Down in the deep of my mind, trying so hard not to keep you, to keep you. More times than I can get out. Down in the deep of my mind, I call for you and you're always inside. Down in the deep of my mind, how long do I got to keep you, to keep you? Down in the deep of my mind, I call for you and you're always inside. Down in the deep of my mind, trying so hard not to keep you, to keep you.
So there you have it, guys. This is our final makeup look and I'm such a blink. Sila lang yung K-pop group na fina-follow ko, to be honest. I love them. I love the vibe. I love each and every one of them. Although yung favorite ko is si Lisa. Pero hindi ako makagawa ng Lisa-inspired makeup kasi wala akong bangs. Pwede ba yun? Sana nagustuhan nyo itong ating makeup look. If you did, please don't forget to hit the like button, comment, and of course, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I would highly, highly, highly appreciate it. I don't have anything more to say. See you guys again in my next video. Bye!